Hi, my name is Joe Cooper. I'm a third year student studying BSc Wildlife Conservation and Ecology at University Centre Reaseheath. During my studies here, we've done a number of different surveys with different taxonomic groups, including coastal surveys involving marine life, rocky shore surveys. We've done deer transects, certainly a lot with badger activity and camera trapping.
Some of these surveys have included kick sampling for freshwater invertebrates, distance sampling for red deer, and using bottle traps to survey great-crested newts. Through this, I have gained knowledge and also confidence within my ability.
Practical-based fieldwork is really at the heart of the programme, which is designed to really give students a unique and diverse range of opportunities by which to really enhance and develop their practical field skills. For example, students were afforded a range of practicals that occur both on our campus on site but also off-site in the local area, where we service a number of local community projects.
These experiences here at University Centre Reaseheath have enabled me to develop my skills such as field science, being able to actually survey different taxonomic groups such as newts, for example. I'd never done that before. Mist netting in particular, I'd never had an opportunity to do, and this has helped me to develop my skills necessary for employment later on in life.
All of our practicals are undertaken with a view to enhance student employability by instilling a range of best working practices within the sector that are highly sought after within the industry.
During summer this year, I've actually been able to go out and work part-time as an ecologist due to the experiences that I've had here. The campus itself has loads of different things to offer. We've done a lot of our experience based here within Reaseheath.
The campus itself boasts quite a broad range of wild habitats on site in addition to the wildlife that occupy it, including a range of iconic British species such as badger, fox. We also have otter on site, polecat, in addition to other species such as great-crested newt and kingfisher.
I recommend studying the BSc Wildlife Conservation and Ecology degree here at University Centre Reaseheath due to the amount of experience you get both outside and in the classroom as well. The knowledge that you get is absolutely invaluable and is very important for developing the skills that you may not already have.